Acing accountancy through a series of 7 steps. A checklist will be provided in the end. Let's start. First, become thorough with the syllabus. Cliche but important to know what you're dealing with. Go through the index just for once to become familiar with the new words so that when everyone's blabbering about the chapters, you do not react like this. Second, skip to the basic accounting terms first and read and understand them thoroughly. Because reading a sentence can be hard if you're not familiar with the alphabets. Same way, the basic terms such as stock, work in progress are important because they are. Actually, because in accounting, concepts like debit and credit, journal entries, ledger accounts, and trial balances are fundamental. They're like the building blocks for more advanced accounting principles you'll learn later on. So, take the time to really get to know what each concept means and how to use it effectively. They're the foundation of everything you do in accounting. Third, introduction. After the basic terms, it's time for the introduction of the subject or the context of the whole subject, its meaning, and what's the use of accounting. Fourth, ask why. Whenever reading a chapter, you stumble across a sentence that just doesn't make sense. Ask why. Accountancy is easy if you understand the relation between each chapter. The theory chapters, such as principles, are connected to each and everything to date. So make sure to have a proper clarity of a chapter before even moving on to the next one. Fifth, summarize. I printed some and made some handwritten 1 to 2 page condensed notes for each chapter, which saved me from browsing through textbooks for last minute revision. Prepare short notes including key definitions, formulas, and examples in your own words, organizing them in a way that makes sense to you. Sixth, practicing numericals. Accountancy is a subject with 30% theory and 70% practicals and numericals. So you don't want to miss this. But how to actually practice these chapters? First, read and understand the chapters through a school teacher, tuition teacher, mentor, or YouTube, of course. Second, do the solved illustration first because no one understands the foreign series without subtitles. Next, when you're confident, move on to the unsolved questions and practice as many as you can. Now, you should practice more because you do not want to learn how to do a particular type of question, but you want to adapt to different situations and questions that would arise in your exams. And therefore, the more questions you attempt, you master the method of approaching the questions. Practicing things over and over again helps you understand them better and get better at using them in different situations. Seventh, doubt clarification. Make sure to clear all your doubts no matter what, else you'll end up cramming last minute. So, yeah, that's the end of the video. Here's what you need to do before starting accountancy, and this is a checklist for covering the chapters. Anyways, bye.